Well, obviously it's soaking wet here, so grow. It's gonna be that way. Well, you know what? Let's just go look. We're just gonna look underneath the. Yeah, it's just, it could just be the floor, condensation on the floor, below the tiles, even on the tile. I don't know. See how we're doing literally right under the dehumidifier. That's funny. Just for the hell of it. This is my little scam test. My skepticism. It's picking up moisture on the scooter, which I used this one most recently. I've never even used this. This is the, oh come on, I got water on the menu. That joke. And then I think this menu. Wait, I was gonna go look at something else too. What it was? I was a floorboard. Oh wow, it's soaked. Allegedly, that's, please, overdoing it. Overrated. Walker. Come on, where'd that moisture come from? I think that's just picking up something.
No text found at the